Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your EA account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Electronic Arts homepage. Now from this page, if you haven't logged in already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the sign in button. Tap on this and proceed with your credentials. And after signing into your account, when you click on this button once again, you will see account settings. Go ahead and click on account settings and now you will be taken into your account settings page for your EA account. From this page, you can scroll and look all over, but there is no direct option to delete your account. But the best thing that you can do besides this is hide your account and make it undiscoverable. So click on privacy settings and now you can make sure all of these options are turned off. Then underneath profile privacy, click on the drop down menu and then choose no one. Then scroll down and uncheck all of these as well. After unchecking all of these options, you can click on the update button and now no one will be able to view or find your profile. If you still wish to completely delete your account, you will need to click on EA Help in order to contact the EA Help team with your account and then proceed with contacting them directly and letting them know that you want your account to be deleted. After you receive a response email from EA team, only then you can follow the instructions and completely delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on the Electronic Arts website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.